Hi there, this is Huskins here with the review for the 26th of Jan 2011 and the preview for the 27th of Jan 2011. Today indeed was a tough day. After an awesome 200 pip gain yesterday, this was the day where we give back some of the profits which we made. Trading is like that. Some days you'll win, some days you'll lose. As long as you keep your winners more than your losers, you do just fine. Now, let us observe what are the main events which took place during the day. The main event happened to be the FOMC meeting. We were trading it, and unfortunately, we lost money on the FOMC meeting. But I talk more about that later. The market did not do much right up till the FOMC meeting, after which the US dollar and the yen weakened, and the US dollar continues to be weak. So now let's look at the entire trading day on a whole. Now I had to mention this fact because the trading day might say US dollar wound out down, but it wasn't down against the commodity currencies, at least till the FOMC minutes. So we need to be aware of an change in environment which caused the markets to react in a particular fashion. Having said that, let's look at what the US dollar did for over the last 24 hours. Since 5 p.m. yesterday, the US dollar was down against all the currencies. So the US dollar was the weakest currency, and the commodities as well as the indexes which we follow were all up apart from the FTSE. The FTSE is there is a reason behind the FTSE is down, and it's not significantly down. The reason is that we had bad GDP numbers from London yesterday. So given that the FTSE wound up just 6 points down for the day, it's not very bearish. It's instead bullish, because given bad news, if you're yet going up, it is a bullish sign. So for all practical matters, we had the indexes up, the commodities up, which transpired into the US dollar being down. That's perfect correlation as we know it. Now let's look at specific trading strategies. We will start off with the Euro USD. The Euro USD was consolidating like most of the currencies before we got our first trade at about 10.15. That trade turned up to be a break even. Then we had a USD CHF. A USD CHF was our winner for the day with a 25 pip winner. We entered short at about 5 a.m. and we exited the trade for a 20 pip winner. New Zealand US dollar. The New Zealand US dollar, we got our long entry, sorry, our long setup right here. A long setup, we got that for the first time actually before at 6 o'clock, which turned out to be a loser. So a 15 pip loser, and then we had a new long setup at 9:30, which again turned out to be a 17-18 pip loser. So all in all, we lost 15 pips plus 18 pips on the New Zealand US dollar. On the GBP USD, we went short about at about 6:55 is when we got our entry short. We did have some pips in the in our profit, which turned around against us, and it wound up giving us a 15 pip loser because we closed the trade by 1 o'clock. So by 1 o'clock we were up. We were close to about 10-12 pips. So along with the spread, we had a 15 pip loser on the USD, GBP USD. The Aussie USD also turned out to be a 15 pip loser, and the USD CAD had no trade. So that sums up our technical trades for the day. Apart from that, we had one news trade based on the new home sales. The new home sales, I wanted to, we're here. At 10 a.m. we got the new home sales. This is the 1 minute chart, and my attitude was bullish Euro USD. So the strategy which was used is the 21 SMA reversal. The news caused price to go down, and then when the market turns around and closes above the 21 SMA, it's time to go long. And this if we played 1:1, we would have made 25 pips. I personally did not trade this the new home sales, but for matter of record, if we have to look that up, we would have had a winner of about 25 pips on the Euro USD. Apart from that, we traded the FOMC minutes. The FOMC minutes, again, we traded using the 21 SMA reversal trade on the GBP USD, and the FOMC minutes we traded on the GBP USD. FOMC minutes turned up to be as expected, and I wanted to trade against the initial knee-jerk reaction of the market. So we chose the GBP USD pair, and the GBP USD initially gained in strength, and as soon as it closed below the 21 SMA, I wanted to short that. As soon as we shorted the GBP USD, the market did go in our favor for about 25 pips. Our stop loss was about 30 pips, and before we could move the stop loss to break even, the market turned around and it hit a stop loss. So all in all, on the GBP USD FOMC trade, we lost about 30 pips. So today, like I said, it was a tough day. We did lose in quite a few of our trades. We did make two winners and quite a few losers, and let's brush this aside and let's look on to what to expect for tomorrow. These are the daily charts. Let's look at Euro USD on the daily. We are in an uptrend, and there's nothing which tells me that I need to change my biasness, so I'm going to yet continue to be Euro bullish, and we're going to use a pullback approach to buy into euros. That's number one. The USD CHF, same thing, use the pullback approach to sell USD CHF. The Aussie US dollar consolidating. I'll leave this alone. I do not know how to trade this right now. The New Zealand US dollar, Now it has made 4 up days. So I'm going to say that let us, though I want to call it that we go bullish on the New Zealand dollar, I'm I'm yet a bit hesitant to do so. So let us just leave aside the New Zealand dollar too. The USD CAD, let's trade our 0.25 pullback on any level on the USD CAD, or on any level, I meant any direction. And so that's about it, folks, for the preview. For tomorrow, we'd have the durable goods sales, which will be out at 8:30, and we'd be using the 1 minute SMA reversal trade setup on the Euro USD or the GBP USD. And that's about it. Talk to you again tomorrow.